Hello friends, today I am sharing chicken Chowmein cheese pizza recipe. First of all, we will marinate the chicken. Take 150 grams boneless chicken pieces and add 1 teaspoon soya sauce, 1 teaspoon chili sauce, a half teaspoons chicken powder, a quarter teaspoons white pepper, a half teaspoons black pepper, 1 teaspoon corn flour, and add it to the boneless chicken. Then add a quarter teaspoons Worcester sauce, a quarter teaspoons chili powder, and a quarter teaspoon salt. Rest for 15 minutes. At high flame, heat 2 tablespoons oil. Add marinated chicken and stir fry. Add 1 tablespoon sliced garlic and 2 tablespoons chopped white part of green onion. Fry for a while. Then add a quarter cup sliced carrot, 1/2 cup cabbage, 1½ cup red, yellow and green chopped capsicum, and in the end add a quarter cup green onion pieces. Fry for few seconds and remove from the stove. Now, mix 1 teaspoon white vinegar, 1 teaspoon chili sauce, 1 teaspoon soya sauce, salt as per taste, a quarter teaspoons white pepper powder, a half teaspoons black pepper powder, a half teaspoons red chili powder, and a half teaspoons crushed chili flakes, and mix with the solution. And pour on 150 grams already boiled spaghetti. Now, in another pan break 2 eggs, add 2 tablespoons oil, beat, and 1 teaspoon chopped green chili, and pour this batter on the spaghetti. Spread 4 tablespoons pizza sauce on the spaghetti. A half cup shredded cheddar and mozzarella cheese. Then add fried chicken and veggies, 1-2 cup shredded mozzarella cheese again, 1 to 2 pinch chili flakes, and few green onion pieces. Cover the pan and cook for 5 minutes at low to medium flame. Chicken Chowmein cheese pizza is ready. If you enjoyed my recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more tasty and delicious recipes.